Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to design the 12-bit storage like this and print it with 3D printer. Look, there is the down and the lid. So the down like this, and in the bottom of the hole I designed a space for the magnet so the bit can suck by the magnet in the hole. This is the down part and the lid part like this. Okay, so let's do it. At first I design the down part. So create a sketch on the XY plane. Make a circle. Press D to dimension this size to 14.5 millimeters. Close it and use the pad tool. Pad this length to 5 millimeters. Select this face. New sketch. Okay, then choose the circle tool. The diameter is none. Use the arrange tool to arrange. Copy 1, 2, maybe 2 from this point to here, like this. Okay. And select this circle, use the rotate polar transform tool. Copy maybe 7. Select this point, this line, move to 7. 7 is too much. 6. Okay, like this. And this circle, use the same way to rotate maybe 10. Select this point and click to move the mouse like this. 10, we change to 11. Okay, like this. Hide the dimensions, so close it. Now hide this pad and select this sketch. I did use the external projection tool to projection this circle and close. Select this face and use pad tool to pad to 4 millimeters. This hole is for the magnet. Then select this face, new sketch, and use the hexagon tool to hexagon size here, and dimension this line to this line is 7. The size of the 12 bits. This line to this line is 6. I set it to 7, so it's easy to put the 12 bit. So right now I need copy this hexagon to all these circles. I need to use this external projection tool. Before I use it, I click this construction geometry, toggle construction geometry. Right now, click this circle. And now I copy this hexagon geometry to this to all of those center of the cycles. This one use the move arrange tool, copy one, this center to this center. Do it again. Okay, I've copied this one to all of the centers, and I click this toggle construction geometry, and I need to use the external projection tool to projection this circle. Close it. Hide this and connect this face and pad. Pad to 30 millimeters. And in the next, I'm going to create the thread. So go to the faster workbench. Select this one, thread road, and select this one, thread node. So the diameter, I select customer to change this to 65 and check the thread. Look, this thread is already here, and I need to change the length to maybe 5 millimeters, and the pitch set to 4 is too much, 3, 2, okay, change the pitch to 2. Okay, now I need to change this thread to a new body. Select this thread and click new body. So this body is from this thread. I select this body. I need to move to here to this side. Right click, transform, move to this side. Yes, like this. Click OK. Select the down part, activate it, and use the Boolean operation. Add body. Add this body and fuse. Click OK. So right now this thread add to this part. Now I continue to create a sketch on this face, new sketch, and I need to change this to wireframe mode. Use the external projection tool to projection this hexagon geometry. Okay, close it and use the pocket tool to create pocket to 6 millimeters. Click OK. We can see this hole. Okay, this is the down part. Okay, let's continue to create the lid. Create a new body, name it lid. So select this face, new sketch, and select the second one, make dependent copy. Now use the circle tool to create a circle 16.5. Use the pet tool to pet to 16 millimeters. Hide the down part. Select this face, create a new sketch, make a circle 15.8 millimeters. And use the pocket tool, make a pocket 15.5, 15.6, 15.7. Okay. I'm going to create the thread of this lid. So I need to use this thread to create thread here. Now I click this thread, copy, and paste here. Here I need to change the length much higher to 7.9 millimeters, maybe 10 millimeters. Okay, hide this one. And now I click this thread and use the clone to clone a new body, and click this body, go to the part design and use the scale tool to scale. Select the non-uniform scaling, scale this x to 1.002 and the x 1.002. Keep the z factor. Click OK. Okay, select the scale and you transform, move it up to here. Okay, then select this scale and use the clone to create a new body. This body is from the scale, so hide the scale. Right now, click the lead, use the Boolean operation. Click Add Body, select this body. Here I select the cut and click OK. But now we can see here the lead was cut like this, so I need to change the size of the cylinder. So I go back to the down part, change this, the first part to 16, 68, 69, 17, change it to 17 millimeters. Close. And go to the lead. Here, change this to 17. The cut is okay now. But this hole I need to make it bigger, so I go back to the pocket. This sketch I change to go to the wireframe. I change to 16 and check it again. We can make it more bigger, so change it to 16, 3 millimeters. Now that's better. Okay, in the next step I'm going to create a knurl on the surface. So right now select this face, new sketch, and I use the polyline tool to create the triangle like this, and dimension this length to 3 millimeters. This point to this length 14 millimeters. 14 is too much. 13.5 millimeters. And this point to this length 14 millimeters. 14 is too much. 13.7 millimeters. This line I change it to 13.3 millimeters. 13.4. This line change it to 13.6 millimeters. Okay. Change it to 35 millimeters. Maybe 13.5. Okay. 1 degree of freedom, so I need to. Okay. Select these 2 points and this line. Make it symmetric. Delete the 5. This construction line. Okay. Close it. Now use this sketch. Now use this tool, subtractive helix. tool. Here use the select reference, select the Z axis, and change the mode to height turns angle, and this height change it to maybe 40. It's not enough. Change it to 19. Return, change it to 1. One is too long. Change to 0.2. Yeah. This change to 0.2. The height maybe 17 is enough. Yeah, 17 is enough. And click OK. And I'll continue to use this sketch to create another subtractive helix. Select reference, select Z axis. Here change to height times angle. Here to this change to 70 millimeters. Turn to 0.2 Hey, and here I select the left hand. Okay. So like this. Select and click OK. I select these two subtractive helix and use a polar pattern. Right now I need to change this to maybe occurrence maybe 20. 20 is not enough. I think I need to change it to 30. Okay. Click OK. So on this top edge, I forgot to add some chamfer. This tool. So I need to add the chamfer here. After the pocket operation, right click, use the set tip, and select this edge, use the chamfer tool, and set the size to 3 millimeters. Click OK. So go to the last operation. So that's it. Okay, so this is a neat part, and let's check the down part. That's great. So this is a model I created. Then I will use the 3D printer to print it.